If dogs had their way, life would be a walk in the woods. But instead, many dogs spend their days moping at home, waiting for their other pack members, who are busy socializing with other species at work. For this reason, we decided to conduct the participatory design of an interface supporting social awareness. Next, we discuss the methods used. Our laboratory testing showed that dogs respond best to sounds of the remote owner in the office place. As a result, our final system detects social activity in the office place and displays social images and plays candid sounds to the remote dog at those times. Our system also uses a pressure sensor to sense dog boredom in cases where dogs are sleeping on their bed and allows owners to respond by causing tennis balls to be released into the dog's environment.